Hey guys, okay, welcome back to the channel guys. Welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. First and foremost guys, Happy Chinese New Year, Happy Lunar New Year everyone. Okay, how's your New Year doing so far? Alright, so for ours, it has been disastrous. Alright, so all throughout Chinese New Year, right, we only had 2 reunion dinner. Yeah, 2. After that, we got COVID, right? So the whole family got COVID and we were stuck at home, and we really hope that your CNY is much better than ours, alright? And to add on to the COVID, the car is having problems, alright? So as you saw from the title, alright, one of the coolant pipes, okay, which is the upper radiator hose, alright, so one of the side, right, has been leaking, okay, so coolant has been pouring out, okay, and all the way down to the engine bay, and at the same time, right, okay, the coolant is going into one area which I'm quite worried, okay, which is the alternator. So for today's episode guys, we'll be changing out the upper radiator hose. Okay, we're going to show you how we do it. Alright, so for those of you who are new, okay, please like and subscribe, okay, because we have a lot of videos like this coming up. Okay, we hope not so much of repair videos, okay, but more of, you know, modifications and, you know, nicer stuff. Alright, but you know, repairs and BMWs, okay, are usually more or less linked together. Alright, so we're going to show you how we fix the upper radiator hose. Alright, so without further ado, we're going to do it. Let's go! Alright, so guys, okay, that's the end of the whole DIY. It actually took me longer than I expected, okay, because I thought these hoses, you know, are very straightforward, you know, just plug them out and plug them in. Alright, so apparently it's not, okay, and there's a lot of wiggling around, okay, that you have to do, okay, in order to get the hoses out. Alright, and at the same time, okay, going in, I would say is much easier, okay, because once you're in, right, okay, you can actually feel the hose, okay, going all the way in, and there will be a soft click. I mean, you will feel that it's in already, okay, before you actually pull down the pin, okay, to lock it in place. Right, so guys, okay, I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. If you like this, please remember to smash the like button. Remember to subscribe, okay. If you need all these services, okay, do give me an email, okay. My email is now there, okay, check it out. Right, so guys, okay, stay safe, stay healthy, happy modding your car.